Hello programmers, welcome to my another video which is the fifth problem, area of a circle. So let's get started. So here it says, given a number r, calculate the area of the of a circle using the following formula. So this is the formula, area is equal to pi into r square. So here the problem gives me the value of pi, which is this one, and this is the input part. Only one line containing the number r. Basically I have to take the input radius from the user, and the value can be 1 to 100. So I have to print the area which with 9 digits after the decimal point. So I have to maintain these 9 digits. So let's get started. Here it guides me how to print 9 digits after the decimal, uh, after the decimal part. So this is the way how can we write it. So directly I can copy the source code from here. So at first I just create a file called area of a circle in my VS Code. So create a new file, area of a circle .cpp, and enter. Then copy the source code given here in the question, paste it here. Okay. So what I have to do, at first take the value of r from the user. Since I can see the value of r is 2.00, that means I have to take the value as double data types. So double r is equal to, don't need actually r is equal to 0 or something else, directly can take the input from the user. So C in right shift r, perfect. Then just print the value of r into, I can also write in this way actually. So define pi is equal to, so this is the value of pi, copy this and paste it here. Okay, this is the value of pi, and now just type pi into r into r, then add a new line at the end. So this is the output. So copy the demo test case 2.00, clear the terminal. So write g++ area of a circle, type run, enter. Okay, this is the output, 12 point something at the end, 12 612 perfect. So let submit this one, browse area of a circle, open, then submit. Reload the browser. Okay, the solution is accepted. So thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one, which is digit summation. Till then, tata, bye bye.